What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the black screen of death on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try force restarting your phone. So to force restart, press and hold the volume down key and power key for 10 seconds. And when you will see a Samsung logo on your screen, it means your issue is fixed. But if it doesn't reboot your phone, then connect the charger for at least 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes again force restart your phone but with charger connected. So press and hold the volume down key and power key again for 10 seconds, and this time your phone will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after connecting charger, then it means it's a hardware issue. So take your phone to the repairing shop and let the shop owner to repair your issue. So that's how you can fix the black screen of death on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.